Do you want to be a leader in innovation? Staying on the cutting edge is important for a company like yours. The trend of cars today is to go electric. This trend is growing due to the fact that more people want to be part of the solution to climate change. Highway vehicles release about 1.7 billion tons of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere each year. For a typical household, cars make up 51% of CO2 emissions. However, if all cars were electric, all emissions could be cut back by 12%. Your company can join the fight and be part of the solution. The more cars you have in the electric market, the more successful you could be in the future. There's an especially untapped market when it comes to electric trucks and SUVs. If Ford was able to make their entire fleet electric by the year 2040, they would be able to gain a competitive edge on the market. Ford is known around the world for their trucks. Creating one of the first electric trucks for mass production would go a long way in showing how forward-thinking and solution-oriented a company like yours can be. You have the opportunity to be part of the solution while being successful economically. Creating an all-electric fleet would be a win-win situation for both Ford and its consumers.